Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we are going to build our brand new IKEA 5-top round table. Let's get started. Here it is, DIYers. It comes in 3 separate boxes, and all of which are heavy. They are numbered 1, 2, and 3. As you can see here, third is a small box, but still heavy. There's some part info for you. I'll go ahead and build it, and I'll let you know if there's any hiccups along the way or important info I need to share. Box 1 open, it looks like the top of the table. Let's go and open boxes 2 and 3. Inside box number 2, and it looks like this is the underside of the table. That opens up and you can add an additional leaf. And here's what came inside that little box number 3. Let's get to building. And in our case, additional parts and hardware were inside box number 1 with the top of the table. We'll open everything up, organize it, and build. Here's all the hardware out of the packaging, and being organized throughout the project is a plus in my opinion. As you can see, a lot of different parts and got a couple tools there. Real quick right away, ran into this little part right here, and check out that machine cutout for the thread. Just position that correctly. On the back side, it is not machine cut like that. And if you insert this improperly, it'll be tough to get that actual threaded stud through and aligned and screwed tight. Making progress. We are not actually going to use these little feet. We are going to use these right here, these little Selttouch. They have adhesive on the back side, and we are putting this table on hardwood floor. That's going to alleviate it from slipping. We'll put a link down below in the comment section as well as the description section for those. To step number 8, just ensure that you are positioning these properly, as you can see here, and the instructions state, do not tighten them all the way, as you can see here, and make sure you do not use the fine machine screw. To the part that comes out of box number 2, when it comes time to secure this portion to the wood, you will unlock it here, give it a friendly jolt, and you can separate those, and inside here you can find your 2 additional holes to secure. After securing those, go ahead and lock it back in place, both sides. At this point, I've shifted that part into the underside of the table. When it comes time to secure these screws, no need to over tighten. There's 12 screws to secure that part to the table. And you've got an arrow and reference the instructions on how to insert that portion of the table in place to properly align all the screw holes. After you flip the table upright and open it up, there's a little piece in here, and that is this part right here with the screw, and just remove it and toss it. That whole piece is garbage. After you dispose of that part, go ahead and lift up your table, and as you can see, this is what it looks like so far, and you can basically push it, and that is in place. Next, what you'll do, pull this side up, rest it down, and under here, the final pieces. These little parts right here are going to screw into those threaded studs sticking up, and you will secure it with this little tool. Final hardware is secured. All right, DIYers, it's all set up now, and I've got 5 chairs. I will also post the item numbers for the chairs as well as the table down below, and I'm going to reposition the actual camera here, and I'm going to continue opening this up. I'll pull 2 of the chairs out, and again, I did not use the original feet. I used rubber padding to not allow this table to slide easy. So pull it out, as you see here, and this part right here just comes out, and I'll try not to step in your way, and basically it just slides right in place, and then you can just shift it right close like that. Now it's a big oval shaped table, and believe it or not, you can comfortably have an additional chair. So really it can become a 6-top, but in our case, we're gonna keep it a 5-top. I might actually purchase 1 more chair and have it in storage just for a 6-top when that time comes. I'll pull apart the table, shift this back in place, and you can see how convenient it all opens and closes. And the cool thing is, nothing actually detaches from the table itself, which is awesome. And if you want to keep it a 4-top, you can keep it a 4-top. And it looks really good as a 4-top, but it also looks really good as a 5-top. And DIYers, hopefully this helped. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Also, scrolling above right now is a link to a video that shows you an additional IKEA table, and it is white and it is beautiful. We absolutely love it. Definitely check that out. Thanks again for watching. And I'll try to give you a quick above shot. Absolutely awesome and very easy to operate.